Hi, my name is Pamela Price. I'm the owner of Priceless Beauty Studio as well as the spray tan class trainer from Toronto, Canada. Today I want to chat a little bit about how to remove your spray tan. I know, you're wondering, why would I want to remove my spray tan? We actually get this question fairly often, and it's usually because people want to come back in for their tan before their last spray tan has fully faded. So usually a tan will last approximately 6 to 10 days. However, it can linger up to 14 days. So if you're finding that you have pesky areas that don't seem to want to come off, then these are some methods you could definitely do, or if for any reason you needed to fully remove the tan sooner than expected, here are some options. You could start by doing a self-tan remover if you're really having a hard time getting the solution off the skin. Now you would simply just apply this onto any areas where you have tan left over, you let it soak in, and then you just buff it off with a mitt or a microfiber cloth. There's also an in-shower option, and that's just an exfoliation mitt. You're simply going to apply it on your hand, and then you just buff and exfoliate the body anywhere that you need to remove. However, if you are prepping for your next tan, you might as well go ahead and exfoliate the entire body. Okay, my last method is a dry brush, and that is actually going to be done as it sounds, dry, so prior to getting in the shower. So you can simply exfoliate the skin and then hop in the shower, proceed like usual. Keep in mind that you might get some residue on this product, so you will have to rinse it off most likely. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, you can put them below. You can also hit me up on Instagram, Priceless Beautygram, or check us out at spraytanclass.com.